Welcome to this beautiful home on 1.4 acres of landscaped land. The living room has big windows and a stone fireplace perfect for cozy nights. The kitchen is updated with new appliances and great for cooking and entertaining. There is also a big shed for storage and a double carport with plenty of parking space. The home is close to downtown Murphy, North Carolina and Copperhill, Tennessee, making it a great mountain retreat. Please check out video description for more details. Thank you for watching.